Hello, I'm Jessica Drossin, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use my new JD Spring Dream background and overlay set. Here's an example of user art using my background and her image. You can either use this background as a PSD file and insert your work as I'm going to demonstrate here, or use it with JPEGs and PNG overlays. It's the same exact art, just saved two different ways for your convenience. Let's start by grabbing our subject. I've already pre-selected this image of my daughter, and I'm going to copy her and paste her in right below this layer as instructed. When we place our subject here, you'll notice that the bottom portion is already blended because of our foreground overlays. Now comes the fun part. Whether you work in layers in PSD or you bring in the backgrounds and ping files independently, you can play with different backgrounds and different foregrounds to create entirely different looks. What you don't see here is an extra background and extra foreground overlay that I've also included with your sets. So have fun, mix and match, make it your own. Here's a fun little trick. Do you want to pop a hand out so that one of the hands is coming forward above? Just circle your hand once you've selected it, cut, and paste it on a layer above the foreground overlays. Make sure that you've got it aligned. I've also included an extra grass top that you can use to place. You can go ahead and turn it or twist it, enlarge it, duplicate it, bend it, whatever you want to do to add more detail to your image. I'm just going to play with turning on different backgrounds and foregrounds and let you see some of the options that are available to you. Lastly, I've included a bonus action that will add contrast and saturation. Once you've installed it, simply go down to your Layers panel and push the play button. If you want to selectively eliminate some of that saturation, just paint with a soft black brush into the mask or adjust the opacity overall. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to see more. Thanks so much for watching and have fun playing. Don't forget to check out my other tutorials up for free on this site.